My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2023 MG ZS. This vehicle has only done just under 6,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the right of the steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature. To the left, we have cruise control and automatic headlights. On the first page of our touchscreen, we have our key features, which are charging, Apple and Android CarPlay, radio and navigation, our 360 degrees camera, and our AC. The MG ZS has 3 different driving modes to choose from, so we can switch between normal, sport, and eco. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather, black interior, and get a good view of the panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.